You won't need a flour mix for this recipe, but rather almond flour. And you'll need honey and olive oil. I use light olive oil in baking, not extra virgin. Olive oil has been a staple in Mediterranean baking and gives baked goods a wonderful texture. They'll be moist even the second and third day. To measure your almond flour, allow it to fall into your measuring cup and then level it. These muffins only use a few simple ingredients. You can use non-dairy milk. I've used both oat and almond milk. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then combine your 3 dry ingredients, followed by the wet ingredients. Mix by hand just until all the flour is incorporated. Then fold your fresh or frozen blueberries into the batter. What's not to love about these healthy, gluten-free, low-carb muffins? Also, try my dark chocolate olive oil cake for another wonderful, guilt-free treat. Thanks for watching, and please hit the cupcake to subscribe.